The first ever Ford Ranger Raptor, Ford's latest off-road performance pickup truck, blasted out from behind its camouflage during a reveal event in Thailand. The ultimate Ranger is purposefully designed, built and tested to set a benchmark as the only factory-built performance truck across Asia Pacific. Designed by Ford Performance Team for the true enthusiast off-roader, Ford Ranger Raptor strengthens Ford's commitment to deliver high-performance pickup trucks to our customers. We are so excited and proud to unleash this vehicle to the public. Driving it really makes you feel like a hero, said Jamal Hamidi, Chief Engineer, Ford Performance. The Ford Performance Team is excited to extend the Raptor name from our flagship off-road performance F-150 to Ranger. Just like the F-150 Raptor, the Ford Ranger Raptor builds upon the core capability of the range of vehicles it comes from and carries the unmistakable Ford Performance DNA appearance. The Ford Ranger Raptor features distinctive design cues inside and out that are functionally driven. At the front, a stunning new grille takes styling cues from the world's first factory-built high-performance off-road truck, the F-150 Raptor. The iconic block Ford lettering proudly positioned within the grille design is unmistakable when emerging from a dust cloud. A frame-mounted front bumper system is designed to offer desert durability, performance and a distinctive presence. The front bumper also includes new LED fog lamps with functional air curtain ducts, which help to reduce air resistance of the body. Using composite materials, the front fenders not only look tough, but resist dents and dings often associated with off-road usage. The flared shape of the fenders are required for the long travel suspension and oversized tires. The exterior color palette offerings include lightning blue, race red, shadow black, frozen white, as well as a unique hero color for the Ford Ranger Raptor, Conker Gray. Contrasting Dino Gray accents helps to accentuate the vehicle's look even further. Vehicle stance is noticeably bigger from every angle, standing at an impressive 1,873mm tall, 2,180mm wide and 5,398mm long, with wider front and rear tracks at 1,710mm. Ground clearance is increased to 283mm, while the approach angle of 32.5 degrees, ramp over angle of 24 degrees, and departure angle of 24 degrees as a package are superior to anything seen before. Starting from the ground up, the side steps are a cut above the rest. The step boards were designed specifically to prevent rock spray from hitting the rear of the truck, and the holes have been designed to drain sand, mud and snow. The tough high-strength aluminum alloy die-cast main step board is designed for durability, undergoing testing which includes a load of 100 kilograms being applied 84,000 times to simulate over 10 years in the field. A two-stage coating process involves the main step board firstly being powder coated, before then having a robust grit paint applied, which results in a tough appearance that is also highly durable, scuff, scratch, stain, resistant with superior resistance to environmental weathering.